We're having breakfast downstairs. It's our last morning here. And I'm having niku udon with a onsen tamago. I'm gonna pour the egg on top. Wow. Some toppings.
Corn tortillas are good.
The egg. Wow. Look at that, babe. Wow. It's hot. Rooftop. Rooftop. We're gonna go to Odaiba and shop and maybe go to Small Worlds and yeah, gonna go do some fun stuff. We're at our next hotel, just dropped off our luggage and we can't check in until 3. So off to have a great day. We're at Small Worlds, but we still have to drink our drink. Is it metal? Nope. Is it metal? Yeah! We're trying premium Pickle. Oh, it's only 4% alcohol.
I know. It's also.
It's like, yay! This tastes like juice. Walking around in Odaiba and we're gonna go find Pacific Pickle. We've seen it online but not too many posts about it, so we're out here at the Urban Sports Park.
Hold on, baby, I don't dance, but how I love to be around you. I'm not scared to take a chance. Yeah, I'm so happy that I found you.
But it's still really cool. We're gonna go check out the merch now. Exactly what I wanted. I didn't realize it was going to be this small.
Get out now. You're good. Where? Here? Back here.
What was that? Wait, is it the same sound?
Oh my god. We're gonna be annoying.
Sick.
Why do they have to? Go, 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 go. Anything you could think of, Min. Clothes. Look at clothes on your right.
What it is? Do you want to grab my socks? Check it out. Cheesecake?
We have to try that one too. I've never had that one.
I'll get some.
macadamia.
Yeah, that's the last one. That's the one. It was
Tempting.
good.
And they have a lot of sakura themed or like desserts and stuff.
Very good.
Everything in Ira. First drink in Japan. Cheersy. Cheers. The boys are gonna shotgun.
Forcefully.